This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or online store, make it with Squarespace.
This episode is brought to you by Squarespace.
This episode has been brought to you by Squarespace.
This episode is brought to you by Squarespace.
Brought to you by Squarespace.
Squarespace.
Squarespace. Squarespace. Squarespace. Squarespace. Squarespace. Squarespace. Squarespace. Squarespace.
Hey guys, new season editing your photo online on Photoshop, and if you are new and I appear in your recommendation, do not hesitate to subscribe and activate the notification bell to not miss any of my next videos. My name is Suka. I watched your Instagram posts and your YouTube video and tried something for myself. Soon I will have 5K followers on Instagram and I would like you do some creative stuff with this photo for me please. Okay, thank you so much. I guess I will see what sort of fantastical I can make using your picture. Let's hop onto Photoshop and see the result.
That the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business so humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Facts, lot of haters. Tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. No, do my own thing, and I maintain. Woo! Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yup. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Woo. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. This ain't on the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.